Hi everybody, and today we are going to begin our series on condiments. And we're going to start with the most American of them all, ketchup. Now, what you need is tomato paste, some onion powder, some garlic powder, some sugar, some white vinegar, some cumin, some turmeric, amazingly, is in there as well, a little bit of chili powder for spice, some black pepper, and about, an hour to cook it properly. Or you can just buy this. All of those things I named before would have cost you about $8 to make 8 ounces of ketchup. This is 44 ounces and it's $2.49. Plus, even if you nail all of these flavors like I've been trying to for 20 years, you still won't get it right because you don't have access to Heinz seeds that they've been cultivating since 1871. So, thank you so much for tuning in today. Just buy this.